Step number 2, which is creating a YouTube channel. And in order to do this, all you do is go back to youtube.com and then click your profile picture in the top right and select create a channel. And from here, it's going to ask you to put in the name that you'd like your channel to be called. Now, when it comes to choosing a channel name, sometimes it can be hard. So there is a couple tools that I do recommend. For example, the Shopify business name generator can give you a ton of ideas. If you know the overall niche that your channel is going to be in, you can simply put it in there and it'll give you a ton of ideas back. You can also check out a website called the Global Brand Database. So once you think of a couple names, I recommend going here and then simply putting in each name one by one to see if there's any companies with that name so you don't potentially infringe on any copyrights or anything like that. And I also recommend checking YouTube and making sure there's no huge channels with the name that you're thinking about doing. So this channel that I'm creating is going to be called Tube Mastery, just like so. And then you can also choose what is called a handle. And this is simply like a username like other social media sites will have. YouTube calls it a handle, and we can just put in whatever we want as long as it's available. So for example, we could just call it Tube Mastery Channel. We could see if that's available, and boom, it is, we're good. And we simply click create channel.